Look, I want to see it. Let me see. Let me see. So what you got me? Give me something. Look, there it is. Your skirt growing back in. The skirt's growing back in. I can see it now, Dinks. It's there. You're gonna have your skirt back again. And there's the rest of it, but it's coming from underneath. Come here. Okay, I'll go right down. This tufty's coming right from underneath. He won't let me. Come here. Come here. I want to show.
Go down by the stables up by where we got the car from.
Tinkle. Dinkle bells, dinkle bells. Why is it coming out of his side? Got one there, and you got one there. Coming out of his sides. We thought he was dead fur, didn't we, once put it off? Let me look at this bit. Let me see. He's just after trays, aren't you? Eat the stick, look. Oh, he wants me to give him something. Naughty mummy. Naughty mummy. You've got a pellet in there, look. Eat that. Eat it. Don't just nibble it, eat it. Eat it. Eat it. Put up so I can see. Look at me, a cat. I know what you want. Have you given him one of those?
No.
Oh. Excuse you. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. I'm getting it. Come here.
To understand Chad Daybell, I think you have to go back to 1985.
I'm just going to start money.
I served an LDS mission with Chad Daybell during...
Yeah.
We served for 2 years in New Jersey.
Now I can see your skirt.
Served in Massachusetts too. We were in the same building the entire time. The whole point of the missionaries is to get converts to the church baptized. And Chad set all sorts of baptismal records. He was very easily approachable.
Nice.
Imagine Bob Ross, but not as verbose. Now, he's not a recluse. He's just quiet.
Nothing no more.
Gentle. So then he returns from his mission, and that's when Chad was in Flaming Gorge, Utah, and he went cliff diving, and he had his first near-death experience.
You don't get two, do you?
Against the cliffs, and he claims he's knocked unconscious. That's the moment when Chad Daybell believes that he can look the outer down.
What's that? Eat that. Oh, what's it? No.
Sammy was definitely more vivacious. Just like lemon and sugar from making lemonade, and he was good, more lively. He basically married the first woman that he really dated.
He's found his traits.
Number of followers.
My name is Julie Rowe. I'm the second of 10 kids growing up, and was raised in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Not only am I a woman who has prophetic gifts, but I'm being public about that, was being shunned apart, forced life, but most of us have.
He's going to give himself one.
Had several. And I believe we were in the final days before Christ comes. Chad Daybell was the publisher for my first 5 books. I didn't meet he and his wife until after my first book was already published. They seemed like really good people. Chad with dorky haircut, dad jeans, cheap tennis shoes, or cheap plaid shirt. He had spiritual gifts, and people that we met, he would say that he could label these people with a number system on how many lives they've had. Chad was trying to box people in, but it's not that his ranking system. The Lord doesn't rank people. See, that's where Chad got it wrong. Because it is like this. And the more spiritual gifts you're awake to or open to, the trickier state gets.
Chad's vision was that there will be an apocalypse. The people that are righteous survive, and that there were 144,000 chosen ones. There would be